2025 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. This year is my 30th year doing these menus. Wow! This year's theme is Latin-esque. It's time for the final dessert of the menu. For Conclave, it's Concloaves, mini devil's food loaf cake with a Dulce de Leche filling. Bless me, viewers, for I have sinned. I have created a devil's food cake for a religious-based movie and actually added my own rosary beads to the mix. But after all, it's sacrilegious. I know, very corny, kind of bad, but this is devilishly good. Conclave, very interesting movie, great performances. There's a secret. And I decided I'd create a secret filling inside these beautiful little devil's food loaf cakes. Dulce de Leche plays into the Latin-esque theme, but also into the ending of the movie and who ultimately becomes Pope. This is sinful and wonderful. Everything you want in a delicious, easy devil's food cake. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.